So hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're starting our eye look today with our brows. Brushing my brows up using a spoolie, and now I'm going in with my Davies eyebrow pencil in brown. I'm just outlining my brows before I fill them in very lightly. I drew the shape first, and now I'm just filling it in using very short, faint strokes. We don't want any harsh line on our brows. And I'm cleaning up the brows, trying to make it look sharp and neat with the Elegel Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee. It's a lot lighter than my skin tone. That was a mistake. I was just supposed to clean the bottom and then use a darker concealer for the top of my brows, but that happened. And I'm priming my eyes with a classic eyeshadow primer. I went ahead to do one eye because I wasn't sure of the look I was going for, so now we're going to do the other eye together. I'm going into my Huda Beauty warm brown obsessions palette, and this is a purple. It's a nice purple shade. I'm putting that in the top of my crease, and I went in with a blending brush just to blend it out and take off all the harsh lines. And now I'm going in with a darker purple, still from the warm brown obsessions palette. A darker purple. The purple I'm using now it's a lot darker than the one I had in my crease. I just put it in my outer and inner corners. And now I'm putting a black eyeshadow. This is the Jara Intense Black eyeshadow. I only put that in the middle very faintly. And now I'm trying to draw a wing. It didn't come out like I wanted it to. I'm using the Just Gold Eye Deep Liner. Now to primer, I'm priming my face with the Ferrarucci Matte Primer, and then I went in with my Black Opal Black Opal True Match foundation. I can't find the shade of this because it's been a while I had it, but I'm just buffing that into my skin using a beauty sponge or a beauty blender. Now I'm highlighting with the LA Girl. Jeez, talking is really difficult. I'm highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer, still in the shade Toffee. And I'm buffing that into my skin using a foundation brush, the same brush. I used this brush from my foundation before using the beauty sponge. I'm setting the concealer in with Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Just pressing that into my skin to avoid any creasing. Pardon me guys, my voice sounds a lot huskier than it should have been, down with the flu, so it really affected my voice and every other thing, but just pardon me if I sound a bit off at times. I'm dusting that off with my powder brush, just dusting off the excess powder. And now I'm going in with my Maybelline Clear Smooth face powder, just to bring back color to the face and to help the highlighted parts blend in a lot better. So now we're lining our waterline, and we're using the Mary Kay Weekender eye pencil in the shade Sage. Well, so for our under eye, I'm using the same dark purple I used on my outer and inner corners, just to trying to smoke out my under eye. And now I'm going to be contouring my face with the Fair Up Makeup Face Definer. I'm chiseling out my cheekbones, my forehead, and my nose. Basically everywhere I want to look smaller than normal. That's done, and now I'm applying blush. I'm using the Lilian 3 color blusher. This is the bright pink shade in the collection.
Yo, Gazi. Brun Sankuni Mokakre. Na la la. What's that?
If you got the bless, we make you no forget. We'll be your bunny, I forgive and forget. But when in you, oh, and move your body to the left.